Cybersecurity refers to the protection of digital devices, networks, and systems from unauthorized access, theft, and damage. It has become increasingly important in recent years as the world has become more reliant on technology and the internet for both personal and professional activities. Cyber attacks can range from minor nuisances, such as spam and phishing emails, to major threats, such as data breaches and cyber warfare. The first line of defense against cyber attacks is a strong password policy. Passwords should be long and complex, and it is important to use different passwords for different accounts to prevent a single compromise from affecting multiple systems. Additionally, two-factor authentication, which requires a second form of identification beyond just a password, can provide an extra layer of security. Another important aspect of cybersecurity is network security. This involves protecting networks from unauthorized access and ensuring that data transmitted over the network is secure. Network security measures can include firewalls, virtual private networks, VPNs, and encryption. Software security is also a key component of cybersecurity. Software vulnerabilities can be exploited by attackers to gain unauthorized access to systems and steal data. To minimize these risks, software should be regularly updated and patched, and security measures such as antivirus software and intrusion detection systems should be implemented. Another important aspect of cybersecurity is data security. This involves protecting sensitive data from unauthorized access, theft, and damage. Data security measures can include encryption, access control, and data backup and recovery procedures. Another aspect of cybersecurity is social engineering, which is the use of deception to manipulate individuals into divulging confidential information. This can take the form of phishing emails, which trick individuals into revealing their login credentials, or baiting, where attackers leave a physical item such as a USB drive in a location, hoping that someone will pick it up and insert it into a computer, thereby compromising the system. To mitigate the risks of social engineering, organizations should educate their employees on the dangers of these attacks and implement security awareness training programs. Additionally, disaster recovery and business continuity planning are important components of cybersecurity. These plans outline procedures for responding to cyber attacks and ensuring that business operations can continue despite a breach. However, despite these measures, cyber attacks are still a significant threat. The cost of cybercrime is estimated to be in the trillions of dollars annually, and the number of attacks continues to increase. To stay ahead of these threats, organizations must continuously evaluate and improve their cybersecurity measures. This may involve investing in new technologies, such as artificial intelligence and machine learning, to help detect and prevent attacks. In conclusion, cybersecurity is the protection of digital devices, networks, and systems from unauthorized access, theft, and damage. It is a complex and ever-evolving field, with new threats emerging regularly. To minimize the risks of cyber attacks, organizations must implement a comprehensive security strategy that includes strong password policies, network security measures, software security, data security, social engineering awareness, and disaster recovery and business continuity planning. Additionally, they must continuously evaluate and improve their cybersecurity measures to stay ahead of evolving threats.